What's up, guys? Making a video of airsoft field in the backyard that I'm making. Backyard's not that big, but perfect for sort of an airsoft field. But I'll show you guys what I'm making outside. I'm sort of getting up. So, showing you guys. Protect babies from coming in from this side. I have a whole bunch of garbage that I found side of roads, houses, stuff like that. I'm going to be using that right now, so I'll be showing you guys how to make an airsoft field. If you have, most of this stuff is basically, what is this, boxes. So I'll be showing you guys how to make airsoft fields out of boxes and sticks. So, let me get this thingy right here, sort of like a painting that I found down my cul-de-sac. So I put my phone back down right here, hold that, and probably gonna need a small brick size of at least this. At least 2 inches. This is like at least 2 inches right here. This is about like 5. So let's go put this over here. I like to make my airsoft field more realistic and stuff like that. So all I need is sort of gotta put a brick behind it. Well, so you can put a brick behind it or in front of it. Really now. Well, I can just make it round. I need another brick. The other brick I have in here. Oh yeah, the other one. Grab this. I have a huge box here that I really do need. Have some wood sticks. Oh look, there it goes. Right there. It's pretty big. So let me go put that down. My phone back on here, tripod. What's in the way? Sorry if the video is pretty bad. My first, sort of making my first airsoft field in my backyard. So, I did like this, the ground sort of pile it up. Not really pile it up, but take it out if you want to. Put it right here. Let me get this big right here. Right there. And like not standing up, so sort of hold BBs from not coming in through the wood panel thingy. So let's see. Let's grab a wooden board. We got a whole bunch of ants over here. Not this doesn't have ants on it. I got this huge wooden board. I don't know, it's about like 2 feet long. Put that right here. Sort of have a way, like this mag domination. Come from here, sort of take cover, and yeah. So, see if that's good. Or Also, guys, we have this right here, so close it up. And we got another one like that. So make this fair, make it even both sides. There we go, that's good. That's really good. So this is my side, and I can use a lot of stuff, like noobs. So I'm gonna use one more block. Alright. Like the next video is this video is gonna be about at least 6 minutes long. And please rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video.